I would pop on for a little chat to update you guys with what's going on, because it has been a while and sometimes it's just easier to explain with talking with a little ramble. So I'm just going to quickly update you on what's been going on. So I have recently moved my website to a updated version of Squarespace. It's super confusing, but if you notice that anything is different, that's why. So I am still in the process of updating everything and adding back all of the free resources. So it's going to be a while before that looks normal again, but let me know if there's any issues that you spot. But it's going to take a while because I'm currently doing a shop update. So today the plan is I'm going to lose some afternoon sun soon. Well, not really soon, but like the sunlight's not going to come through. So I want to take some product photos today. And the plan is to take all of the product photos, to edit them, and hopefully get out early access to the shop update either today or tomorrow, most likely tomorrow for my patrons, because I like to do an early access shop update for them so that it also helps me just pack their orders faster, take stock of anything I need to restock as well. It just helps me. But then I will release the public shop update on Friday, I think. As usual, I always do it on Fridays. So what I'm doing right now, the studio is an absolute mess because I'm trying to restock everything. I've been restocking a whole bunch of memo pads because they take the longest. I've got a bunch of new stickers. So what I'm going to do now is lay everything out on the table so that I know what to photograph. And then I'm going to look at my Notion checklist to make sure that I have photographed everything, making sure that I have all the right products. And yeah, I'm just charging my camera right now because it was 2% and I always forget to charge my camera. You would have seen that I got a delivery of new sticker paper, washi sticker paper, and I was really excited about that, and I knew it was going to cause some problems, but I didn't expect how faded it would be once I printed out the stickers. So by comparison, these are my new, cannot pronounce them, gingham washi strip stickers on white sticker paper. So it's kind of a pinky earthy color, pretty standard colors that I use, and then I printed it on washi paper and that's what it turns out like. So I will still offer these because I still think they look really cute on white paper. I will show you. I stuck it on my content schedule. So that's what that looks like. That's this color, I think. Yes. So it's got that washi texture and it's semi see-through, which I really like, and I think it looks cute. The whole point is that it's a long strip so that you can cut it and use whatever length that you want. But yeah, just want to point out that the colors definitely don't match, even though I would love them to be able to match. They're just like, it's just a faded version of it and it doesn't quite match up, but that's okay. They're kind of two different products. So this is the white version and this is the washi tape version. I just love the texture of it, but the problem with this is, as well, if you are planning to buy this, is that it is so thin, the actual washi sticker paper, that when I try to cut it, I have to use blade 1, force 1, and that is still too deep. So you have to be a little bit careful when you're peeling up these stickers because it's very easy to peel up the back as well. Like it cuts through, that it actually peels up the back. So as you can see, it's actually tearing up the back. There is a way to get it. It's just takes a little finessing to peel it off. And even if you do peel up the back, you can still peel off the washi. It just takes a little bit more work, unfortunately. I finally got it. That took a lot of work. I definitely peeled up some of that backing. I don't know if you can tell, but this is the washi. This is the seconds one because the ink would just not, I couldn't use my normal paper settings because the ink would just settle on it really weird and it gets really blotchy. I don't know if you can tell the blotchiness of it. So kind of a washi style sticker, but because I was testing so many printing settings and trying to get it right, this is how many I cut. That is an enormous amount of stickers. So half of this is seconds. I can put them in seconds piles because the colors went right or the ink just doesn't look quite right. It's really blotchy. It doesn't really come up on camera, but the rest are still good to go. They just look very different. But I feel like I've just been in a cave just printing and cutting stickers and just not really knowing what's going on. So I'm definitely behind on a lot of stuff. I may need to skip a podcast episode again this week. If there's a pattern that I tend to skip it, I might just make it a fortnightly podcast or bi-weekly, I think some of you call it. So we'll see. But yes, that's the update for the shop update. I've got some new digital stickers planned, but those just kind of drop whenever because I don't make it official. But yes, time to photograph them. Bye.